Hi, so I chose the website Zoom. This website was very beneficial to me and my students during the beginning stages of quarantine. You can type in Zoom and you can sign in using your Gmail email accounts. So I'm going to show you how you can schedule a meeting. You'll just click My Meeting and make this a little bit bigger. You can enter a description. So a lot of meetings that we're having were circle time or, story time, something like that. And just say reading book, full description. Then you could just do a time and date, the length of the meeting, and then just tell you have 40 minutes time limit and only 3 more participants if you want to upgrade. And you can check if you want a recording meeting or a recurring meeting same time every time, which I would do because I would read a story at the same time every time for my students. And then I would save it. And so this is the settings. You can enable join before host. So every time a host will come, you can click and see if you want to get notified. You can mute all participants upon entry, which I would advise with the young students. You can record the meeting automatically on your local computer, which I would advise. So you can always have it saved in case someone misses it. And you save it. And then that is your meeting. And then you can add it to Google Calendar, Google Outlook, or your Yahoo Mail. And I can just add it. And I would just click which one. So I will click my this mail, click allow this, and it's just really easy to schedule a meeting. And then that's all my notifications. Alright, on this day.